Okay, well, I seem to have a BB stuck in my face.
They're for $2.
So Melanie's gonna take over.
Yeah.
They're $2.
Get all the photos that you want.
Oh, it's a video. We're going for full video.
Okay, let's go to the ladies' room with some better light.
All right.
That would be so interesting to see.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
So, is like the BB stuck in there?
It's stuck right in there. Check that out.
Ooh.
That's why I recommend to have some sort of a face protection.
Yeah, yeah. We're good to go to
My
the...
wife just gave me shit for that. Oh, we get the ladies'
Yeah,
bathroom.
I was making sure we got a picture of that. Yeah, because there's not very many of us here.
You want me to sit on here? Like this?
Yeah.
That is just epic. It's gross. It's just absolutely disgusting.
Don't worry, I'm semi qualified. I have an emergency medical technician.
Yeah, that's what the missus was saying there.
So I think sterility is the last thing we have to worry about.
For an object making his chin swell is entertaining.
That is embedded in there.
Ouch.
It's like a big overgrown zit. I can see by the way his eyes are going that he's enjoying this.
Uh-huh. Not so much.
Might have.
Might not work out.
Like, it's hard to grab hold of the damn thing. The problem of trying.
There we go.
Show the camera.
Go, camera. There it is. That is just disgusting.
Took out half my frickin' chin with it
Yeah,
too.
now you're bleeding all over the place.
Oh.
That is really gross.
I wonder how that like happened or something.
We stuff it with a gauze or something.
Oh yeah.
Put tape around my
The
all
whole
around my
head
face.
would be great.
So I don't talk anymore.
Oh, that'd be nice. You start these conversations, Saturday. That's gross. No more kisses for you for a day or, nah.
Forget just how big those things are till you pull them and go.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Gross.
That was probably 0.28 or something. 12 feet
Should
away.
we go ask him if he wants his BB back?
Yeah, actually, yeah, we will. I want to present it to him. I'd like to present to you. That's what we'll do. That'll be good.
We'll give me a roll of duct tape.
Why to wipe it first in water and that and clean up?
Aw, come on. It gives you even more of a red hair chin.
Okay.
I know. It's
It's really not bleeding too badly.
I'll just hold it on.
There you go.
There you go.
Okay, he doesn't need the duct tape after all.
Okay.
yeah, I'm like, that'll be fun taking off his beard if we did that. Oh, where'd it go? Oh.
Right.
Oh,
What do you do?
he dropped it. Is that it? Yep, that was the one all covered in blood.
There you go.
All right.
Thank you very much, sir.
All my feet are wet.
You all good?
Yeah. I just want to present somebody a BB bat with the blood and flesh on it.
Yeah, you can have it back.
Who's
Would
the
you like it
owner
back?
of the BB?
It's either me or him. which
Isn't that
side were you
disgusting?
flanking up on, or what you got hit with that?
Yeah.
Well, I guess he doesn't want it
He
back.
doesn't
so-
want it back. It's just gross.